Ashland training. I'm actually at our Richmond facility with Ollie here. Ollie is a 6-month-old golden retriever who was just dropped off for our 2-week board and train. His parents just left, so he wants to be with them. So some of the issues with Ollie, he's a puppy, so he's doing his usual puppy behavior, super excited, jumps all over people, chews everything, just a terror basically. He pulls a lot on the leash. He actually pulled his owner down last week. She thought she broke her ankle. So we gotta give him some manners. Oh my goodness, I know. So let's see what Ollie knows. Ollie, come. Yeah, come. Ollie, come. Yes, good boy. Ollie, sit. Ollie, sit. Down. Ollie, face. Let's try heel. Ollie, yep. Let's try to eat the leash. Yep. Kind of everywhere. All right, so yeah, it's not looking good. So yeah, we got our work ahead of them, and super cute. So I'm excited, and we'll check back in 2 weeks with his progress.